Bundys Garage, Bundy here. Hey, listen, today we were working on a 2007 Honda J Series V6. This came out of a Acura TL, and I wanted to show you guys a common place for oil leaks. So right here, this is your VTEC Solenoid right here, right? This is an oil pressure sensor right here, and then this is your oil filter. Right in here, your oil filter housing has 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Right behind here, there's a gasket. There's actually, I think there's 2 gaskets back there. Well, no, there's 1 gasket. I apologize. There's one gasket up front on the oil filter housing. There's a gasket for the VTEC solenoid, and there's a gasket for your oil pressure switch. I want to show you guys how to get to these and how to change them out. This engine is not in the vehicle, so I apologize about that. I know I've gotten some flack because guys are like, oh, you do a timing belt and the engine's not even in the vehicle. Look how easy it is. It's not about, it's more theory than application. I want to show you how to get this out, and we'll go from there. You have 3 12mm bolts right here. You're going to get oil coming out when you do this, so have an oil pan ready or something to catch the oil. Also, one thing, you'll have connections here that you need to remove for the VTEC solenoid and the oil pressure switch, so make sure you disconnect those before you do that, because most likely 100% your engine will actually be in the vehicle when you do this. So we could actually probably remove the oil filter if we wanted to make it a little bit easier. They're different sizes. So the longest one goes right here. These 2 are the same size, but this one goes here and this one goes here. So the 2 shorter ones go on the bottom and right below the VTEC solenoid. The longer one goes in the top right hand corner. When you get in here, you'll see where it actually separates. Sometimes you get lucky and can grab this thing, sometimes you don't. So sometimes you got to get in here with a screwdriver or some kind of pry tool and pry this thing open. And there we go, it's open. That's what it looks like right there, boys and girls. That's residual oil from the oil filter. We'll come back to that in a second. So right here you have 1 big O-ring. I will put the part numbers in the description below to all 3 O-rings. There it is. So the VTEC solenoid, you have 2 10mm bolts that hold that thing in. Let's get those off. So I have my V-grooved wrench set that I got from Harbor Freight. I've really come to enjoy these wrenches, and I'll put a link in the description below. They have been great. So break those loose. These should be the same exact size. They are exactly the same size. And this should just come off. You have what looks like a figure 8 O-ring in there. That's it right there. Okay, now into the oil pressure switch. Oil pressure sensor, I should say. Got my 22mm wrench from Harbor Freight. Comes in the same set. I'll put a link in the description of this set as well. It's at $24 right now at Harbor Freight. Can't go wrong. So broke that loose. And the last O-ring you need to change is this red one right there. And like I said earlier, I'll put the part numbers, all 3 part numbers, down in the description below, so you guys can pick these up. I think you can find these on Rock Auto. If you can, I'll put a link in the description below as well, but I'll surely put the part numbers to these O-rings. Installation is the reverse of removal. If you have found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to Bundys Garage on YouTube. Questions, comments, concerns, you can always reach out to me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter, and like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.